Hey everybody, thanks again for coming to watch another Zingbooks tutorial. Here today I'm going to show you real quickly how to do a quick search for Zingbooks on Google Play. If you have Android and you have this on your smartphone or tablet or whatever, however you want to do this, I'm actually just doing this through a web browser on my computer. You can certainly do this through your smartphone, your tablet, or on your computer as well. So I'm just showing you here how to find it. It's go to the search bar. We just type Zingbooks, pretty simple. And once you get here, there's our Zingbooks app. So if you click that, it's going to bring you in here and you're going to be able to see all of the information on Zingbooks. And you can just click here to do the install and or the download and install on your device. Really simple to do. So that's really about all there is to it. I just wanted to have a little video to show you guys how I did the search. If you have any issues, as always, please send us an email at support@zingbooks.com or go to our website, and in the bottom right corner during normal business hours, you can instigate a support chat session, and we'll be happy to help you. Okay, thanks a lot. You guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Talk to you later. Bye.